from Subo to Losori corridor.
Okay.
Well, good morning to the people from the islands joining this morning, not forgetting the one in the mountain.
Out far
in the mountain, the interior of Fiji, coming down to the stream of the Rewa River.
Right.
Going back to the Wainimala, the Waindina, the Waimanu, the Wainimbuka.
Right.
And the Ndalide.
Waimalua.
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 And the Waimalua. And all the family.
Kaya di Waimalua, lanta sama tua.
The seashell of the moving water is small, but is sweet.
Huh?
Sweet.
Motal
is from where?
Waimalua from Tailevu.
Oh.
After road.
Good morning from the people from Waimalua joining this morning, also to the Korobo town.
Yeah.
You try the Kaini Waimalua, my friend.
Oh.
If you try the Kaini Waimalua,
Yeah.
you even forget your first name.
Yeah. Ona mabawa.
Mama.
Oh. So, the Kai is a female or the male?
The Kaini Waimalua.
Oi.
Which one do you want?
No, because I know we got in this world,
Yeah.
there's two types of things made in this world.
Okay.
One male,
Yeah.
one female.
Yeah, this one male and one to be female.
Take them to the Bull and Bells. Good morning to all the people joining from the VTFM and also to the Fiji village.
Right.
Joining from the outside of Fiji.
Okay.
In the islands of the Pacific Islands.
Okay.
In the islands of the New Zealand Islands.
Okay.
In the Australian Islands.
Right.
We are all islands.
Yeah. All the islands. Yeah.
Australia, even though it divided in continent,
Right.
but they are island.
Right.
Yeah.
The world is an island.
Contamination.
Oi, go roda.
The world is an island.
Oi.
Because the sea is around us.
Yeah.
The world.
That's what we call an island.
All
Island
I know-
is without the information of anybody coming from the seashell of the atmosphere.
All I know about the world is round.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an island.
Oi, round island.
Round island.
Okay.
Because we never meet from each other.
At go mana pa ante mesingo
Because
iliu tukuni to the earth a flat to na bura-bura.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was a bitter roller before.
Iya. So orang itu kuno chiko ni sianga na bura-bura.
Yeah.
Raoni.
Yeah.
So tukuni sianga
Ah,
na bura-bura flat.
flat.
Yeah.
According to Nemesi,
Yeah.
the world is an island.
The world
Explain.
The world is an island.
Yeah.
You can see this.
Yeah.
When we see Mbenga,
Yeah.
or when we see the outer island here in Ngau,
Right, Kimbenga.
Rekimbenga is uppercut.
Yeah.
When you see the islands here, Ngau,
Yeah.
or Bonwalebu,
Alright.
Right.
or Vitilebu,
Yeah.
we are island because what? Why? Because the sea is around us.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the island, the earth is an island
Okay.
because sea is around us.
Okay.
I want to
Why?
ask.
Because.
Okay. Kaya chiko bura-bura.
Yeah.
Kembali na bura-bura chiko lo mani wasa-wasa.
We are in the sea.
Oi.
We are in the sea.
Okay. How come?
Because when you see when you go up
Yeah.
in the sky,
Yeah.
you see the islands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the sea.
Okay. When you look far. You look far.
When you look far,
Yeah.
you see the Elan Limatamu, the sea level,
Yeah.
horizon.
Yeah.
Okay. When you look back.
When you look back,
Yeah.
you see them.
Banda sekolah na ilalago.
Dona mura-mura isa.
Yeah.
Dona raya.
Yeah.
Na world is an island, but
Right.
kita go chiko diri chiko lo mani wasa-wasa. Okay. Demesi
Come.
dona ngona iko tukuna. Iko
Sunny Bus, Sunny Boy,
Sunny Bill William.
Sunny Bill William and Dawi Wathu.
Yeah.
Sunny Boy is a island too.
Oi.
Why?
He's an island of Baston.
How?
When you see him, you can't even see him in a minute,
Yeah.
staying in one position.
Okay.
Mento ka na mo mitukina.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's an island.
Yeah.
He float around in the Baston.
Okay, wana.
Check out.
You float with him.
Float with him.
Okay. Demesi tukuna dona ngona.
Yeah.
Ani partaisi.
Yeah.
Chiko
Chikibiti.
Chikibi.
Chikantabu.
Partaisi chiko bura-bura.
Yeah.
Ngono se kalekin.
Yeah.
Please tell us the story.
This is a true story.
Yeah.
You know, when I was young,
Yeah.
I read the Bible.
Oi.
Hey, you the Bible.
Now I know you know the Bible. No, because the way you save your bed.
Oh, wow, the Bible.
The way you save your bed. I think you don't know about the Bible.
No, I know.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The Bible. When I read the Bible, when I
Which
was
Bible?
young, because I think some of the infant too in that time,
Yeah.
they think
Yeah.
that Jerusalem
Yeah.
up in the sky.
Right, Jerusalem, right,
Okay,
Jerusalem.
okay,
yeah,
okay.
Maybe
Yeah.
Israel was
Yeah.
up in the sky.
Jerusalem ni sabu-sabu.
Bethlehem was a road. Bethlehem, ang doon mo tayo yung Bethlehem,
Yeah.
ito ko malangi.
Yeah. Right.
Later did I know, when I grew up,
Yeah.
it's in the world.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ito ko ngay
In the island.
In the island,
Yeah.
Where?
in Jerusalem.
Yeah.
Jerusalem is in Israel.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I thought Egypt was in the... Because when I read Bible, I thought
Egypt.
everything
Yeah.
was in the outer space. Where to malang.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright.
Iyo.
Right.
Bentari too
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the island.
is an island. Where the fish come and habitat.
Right,
Oh,
alright.
Yeah. Benar na may mabalikin na ka.
Okay.
So when you see the bus,
Yeah.
you see Bentari.
Okay.
When you see Bentari,
Yeah.
you see the island.
Okay, tobi talo chingar mo island.
Yeah.
Naikata be waso mako suti bonua ke bati ko kilabinak. Any fish in the sea that come and
Ya umbe ko bubale pa kay.
senga. Makango na bonu.
Okay.
Iko ikatiliw.
Iyo. Boy si.
Na bonu kame po suti bonua.
Alright.
Any other fish in the sea?
I can remember the Nduna.
Gantu na?
The Nduna, the big Nduna.
Yeah.
Some of the family of the Nduna,
Right.
they coming down where the flood take them from their own habitat on their own territory.
Here,
Okay.
right.
They coming down to the sea.
Here.
From the stream to the sea.
Yeah, to the sea. From the circulation of the seawater
Yeah.
and the
Fresh water.
Yeah.
fresh water.
Right.
Right.
So when they live there, they are bigger. Some of them, they want to release egg.
Yeah.
They coming down up at the stream.
Oi.
Uluniwai.
Here.
From the top of the stream,
Yeah.
Release.
they release them.
Okay.
They're going down. But be careful, baby. They will come as a breakfast.
Oy.
Alam tala, so meron ka kanila tal lang ni.
Oh,
It's like that.
boy, ya sarang eh.
Iya.
Dali mo na ka tu na buru-buru kon sindro ni.
Loko ang doon tiliw.
Doon tuloy ko na
Okay, last question.
basumbay.
Last question ko tu na yo.
Iya.
Nabi kambul tabulit ka nambali tali mo na ka tabuli de mabir.
Iya,
Liu manda na ka kaya sini kila tu baka tu si konde mesi. Na oni.
Iyo.
Na Queen Bee.
Queen Bee is a very rough woman. He's a killer. Whenever somebody wants to meet him,
Yeah.
you come together with him in the
Will die.
apastai.
Iya.
Oi, okay.
Iyo. Nalong ngali sarap tito mula malang. Idake uli manwa.
Yeah.
And everybody wants to
Apa na presa.
Yeah, because she released
Yeah.
one perfume.
Iya.
That's why we call our girlfriend, boyfriend, honey.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. My.
Now I can see.
Yeah.
Honey
Yeah.
is a very sweetest thing we ever have tasted in our whole
Right.
life.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all the male there,
Yeah.
hinto nga na Queen Bee, kaya baka something kita kayo Queen Bee endua,
Yeah.
ada basta nakita ka mo Queen Bee, kutsu kalau malang.
No,
Ah.
Queen Bee will like this.
Iya.
Queen Bee will never call anyone, only one. No.
Oi.
They have to fight for their own fittest.
Okay.
They're going right up on the... If
Oi,
you
Queen
reach
Bee first, the rest.
Race.
race. If you are tired, going back.
Oi, okay.
If the only one who is patient to the Queen Bee will reach on top and release and receive the melody of the Queen Bee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And meet the
To
Queen
call
Bee.
the Queen Bee honey.
Honey.
All right. Okay, orang mati ni ucing mati o male.
Then after that,
Yeah.
after that,
After what?
Get together.
World War III.
Iya.
After the World War III in the sky,
Yeah.
the Queen Bee
Yeah.
coming down with a smiley face,
Yeah.
Iya.
and the male one
Yeah.
start to evolve. Padre, sama tinggal medake. Iya. Mati kami medake.
Boy, ayo sarang ya.
Isama tu kita gilang warung sumay.
Beauty ko ya, sana na yung bulu-bulu sana malang.
Okay.
Oi.
Iya.
Terus aku terbital nama tadi ko se coach kan nanti tuku. Terus alam lingkar kami ka.
Ouch.
Ni ucing anggo sana buko ko me Queen Bee.
Queen Bee me laimus. Me baka malewudi wai.
Tatu ko namin ko, hey, aku sa Queen Bee o debe si, may girusa tapos kay Queen si o may kiliran to.
Hey, winabalebu. We love you all.
Ang sasin mi ori. Deng pichar mo lebi.
Hey, winabalebu punches.
Lag-lag.
Iya.
Talo lag-lag so nakawawalit ka dito.
Tumayan naman tabi
Iya.
to may way tamu ko may lakyan ba?
Ngan rabinaka sama lo.
Daru bisar tungangon na daga bakoro.
Iya.
Artu sar cumay ngande lisiki tubalu.
Iya.
Nabali besar na sar cumay en mata ka binaka di kuwa.
Belum nak tahu.
Alo si timon mono en rabinaka bay bay sunga bertona leni korkel sar mena kalwama.
Oh.
May namalata artu siya masar cumay orange may New South Wales mena bono lebo Australia.
Dabo nang dia.
Queen Bio may kilala doa. Queen Sio de Messi.
Bula menaka, everybody join this morning bila wali usara. Katungan dependen baki so weekend da sini kelanan dan rakin din bulan da suta betul na matagalay.
Betul,
Soran ramai baka binaka.
Iyo.
Soran ratu mai wataken na turbe bisa tuni wani matanra.
Iyo.
Soran ramai ni kuara bagila ni sahil non ra leni bubale. Sor sa rongo da tuna tangi sa baka dingom beka indua.
Isa.
Soran ratu mai wataken na walokai.
Right.
Iyon da bani na bali buni kuha. So na prokara me baru tagitu me baleton da benan baki. Koni tauradala.
Iyo.
Enasa na ni nomu rarawa
Iyo.
tarna sana ni marau mera
Right.
pamorte kento ni kini sini kuwa me da bana bani wishing asabo de kila toni reda ko
Iya.
apa mau tala nga raba dur tal tunga na lolis na walebu
Eh, benaka, betul na mataka.
Ya, ubi ka